The middleweight adventure category has long been celebrated for its versatile, manageable, and do-it-all nature. However, the arrival of the 2026 Honda NX500 e-clutch takes that everyday adaptability to an entirely new tier. Building on the rugged crossover ethos that succeeded the popular CB500X, this updated ADV machine introduces Honda's groundbreaking electronic clutch technology to the 500 cubic centimeters platform. By removing the physical effort of clutching during start-stops and gear transitions while retaining full manual control whenever desired, Honda has crafted a commuter and long-distance tourer that eliminates fatigue without sacrificing the visceral joy of riding. Design and ergonomics. Visually, the NX500 continues its sleek, modern new crossover design language with sharp, rally-inspired fairings and a tall, protective windscreen. Its front cowl features a compact LED headlight structure that integrates cleanly into the side panels, offering an aggressive yet clean aesthetic. Ergonomically, the motorcycle excels in long-haul comfort. It sports a wide handlebar, mid-set foot pegs, and an accessible 830mm seat height that allows most riders to place their feet down with confidence. The seat profile is narrow near the tank, easing ground reach, while expanding towards the rear for comfortable support over extended riding hours. Features and technology. The absolute centerpiece of the 2026 model is Honda's e-clutch system. Utilizing dual electric actuators inside the engine cover, the technology automatically manages clutch engagement when starting from a dead stop, shifting up or down, or coming to a full halt. Riders can simply use the gear lever without touching the clutch lever. Crucially, if you prefer traditional operation, grabbing the standard clutch lever overrides the system instantly. Beyond the powertrain tech, the motorcycle boasts a 5-inch full-color TFT display equipped with Honda Road Sync. This screen delivers turn-by-turn navigation, call management, and music control via Bluetooth pairing. Standard safety equipment includes Honda selectable torque control, traction control, and a full LED lighting package. Engine and transmission performance. At the heart of the machine lies Honda's ultra-proven 471 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine. It delivers an A2-compliant 47 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 43 newton-meters of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute. The engine tuning prioritizes accessible low-end and punchy mid-range grunt, making city overtakes effortless and highway cruising smooth. Paired with the 6-speed gearbox, the e-clutch makes gear transitions buttery smooth. Accelerating away from traffic lights requires only clicking into first gear and twisting the throttle. Stalling is effectively impossible. Handling and suspension. Despite adding the electronic clutch module, the NX500 remains remarkably nimble, tipping the scales at a lightweight curb weight of around 199 kilograms, a modest 3 kilograms gain over the non-e-clutch variant. Chassis rigidity is handled by a steel diamond frame paired with high-spec suspension. Up front, 41mm Showa SFFBP inverted forks absorb road imperfections and light trail bumps effectively, complemented by a preload adjustable ProLink rear monoshock. The motorcycle rides on a 19-inch front and 17-inch rear trail-focused cast aluminum wheel setup. Dual 296mm front discs with Nissan calipers and dual-channel ABS deliver plenty of stopping power with predictable lever feel. Fuel consumption. One of the NX500's strongest selling points remains its exceptional efficiency. The parallel twin engine routinely yields an average fuel consumption figure around 26.5 kilometers per liter, or roughly 65 miles per gallon. When combined with its generous 17.5-liter fuel tank, the motorcycle boasts an impressive range exceeding 450 kilometers between fill-ups, confirming its credentials as a true budget touring machine. Riding experience and verdict. Out on the open road, the combination of a relaxed, upright riding position and the semi-automated clutch system transforms the daily commute into an effortless experience. In heavy bumper-to-bumper city traffic, rider fatigue drops dramatically because your left hand no longer has to constantly pull and modulate the lever. Once you hit the twisties or dirt access roads, you still enjoy the authentic feeling of mechanical foot shifting, giving you full control over engine braking and power delivery whenever you want it. What makes this system particularly impressive is how unintrusive it feels during real-world conditions. Even during aggressive downshifts or quick gear swaps under load, the electronics match engine speeds with remarkable precision, preventing any harsh rear-wheel hopping or driveline snatch. Ultimately, the 2026 Honda NX500 e-clutch proves that rider-focused innovation does not need to be locked behind five-figure price tags or complex multi-riding mode menus. By enhancing an already legendary bulletproof engine with practical, stress-reducing clutch automation, Honda has created one of the most complete, accessible, and versatile motorcycles available today for both novice riders and seasoned touring veterans alike. Pros and cons. Pros. Innovation made easy with the smooth e-clutch mechanism for stop-and-go riding. Exceptionally frugal engine delivering massive touring range. Accessible seat height and approachable ergonomics for new or veteran riders. High-tech 5-inch TFT display with full smartphone connectivity. Cons. ABS cannot be switched off at the rear wheel for aggressive off-road riding. Modest power output compared to larger middleweight rivals. Price premium added for the e-clutch functionality over base models. Price. Pricing for the 2026 Honda NX500 e-clutch reflects its added technology. In North American markets, base models start around $6,899 to $7,399, with the e-clutch option commanding a slight premium depending on region. In international markets, the tech update places the motorcycle at an accessible price point below larger 650 to 700 cubic centimeters touring alternatives, cementing its status as one of the best value-packed entry-level ADV bikes money can buy.